In front of me is TCL NXTpaper 11 Plus, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to click on System. Now tap on Keyboard, On-Screen Keyboard, and finally Keyboard. Finally, after hitting text correction, you can manage all of those options however you want to. To access text correction options much faster in the future, use this switcher at the top next to Show Suggestion strip to activate it. Then go back, launch your keyboard, and click on gear icon at the top of it to access text correction right away. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!